How to call MTN customer care from mobile. So all that you have to do is to simply dial this number, that is 100, okay, by pressing on the 1, then 0, and then another 0, okay, and then simply come and then select where you have your MTN slot card, okay. Mine is on sim 1, simply come and then press on it, and then it is going to call just like you calling somebody, okay. So what you have to do is to simply come here and then come and then select the key button, okay, just like this one, then come and then press on the keypad, okay. So over here, when you press on it, all that you have to do is to simply press these numbers. The first one is the 1, okay, come and then press 1. Wait for the automated call to speak, and then when it is done, simply come and then come and press on 3, okay. Make sure you press these numbers, okay. So 3. So after pressing on the 3, all that you have to do is to just wait for it and then come and then press on 1 again, okay. So after pressing on 1, all that you have to do is to simply listen, and then when it is done, simply come and then press on the star, okay. So just press on the star, and then you'll be directed automatically to someone to talk to you, okay. So sometimes music is going to play, or sometimes it will tell you to wait on the queue, and when it gets to your turn, somebody is going to speak to you. So this is exactly how to call MTN customer care.